box in, that sounded weird. I was going through an old thing in my attic, and I found a picture of me and an ex-girlfriend I used to date, and wasn't a cousin, shockingly. But it got me to thinking about her, and I took it downstairs, and I showed it to my wife, and I was talking about this summer, right? Everybody has that summer where you were with somebody, and you're just enjoying yourselves, and so this thing is kind of about that. But some people just come into your life for just a minute, and they're only there to teach you how to be a better person for the person you're supposed to be with, right? That's right. Or like my first wife, just to waste 3 years of your entire life. That's fine too. Neither here nor there. So this is a song for anybody where, you know, we've all got pictures hanging up on the wall of people who aren't here anymore, and people we don't necessarily want to be around anymore, but there's some beautiful times that live right there in that moment. This one's called Under Glass. Moved out of that apartment, just had to close that door. Those friends we used to have, I can't have anymore. Moving on more every day, finally think I'm doing fine. Till I stumble on your memory, it cuts me like a knife. That summer sun was shining, like it ain't ever coming back. Can't remember what I told you, just know it made me laugh. You never looked so pretty, I never felt like that. Your picture perfect kiss, stuck right there in white and black, under glass. Never been loved like you love me, there's no getting over that. There's a piece of me still missing, I ain't ever getting back, but I can still feel your fire burning through this photograph. Guess I'll have to forget you, broken pieces and a knife. That summer sun was shining, like it ain't ever coming back. Can't remember what I told you, just know it made me laugh. You never looked so pretty, I never felt like that. Your picture perfect kiss, stuck right there in white and black, under glass. That summer sun was shining, like it ain't ever coming back. Can't remember what I told you, just know it made me laugh. You never looked so pretty, I never felt like that. Your arms wrapped all around me, stuck right there in white and black, under glass. Moving on more every day, finally think I'm doing fine. Till I stumble on your memory, it cuts me like a knife. Thank you very much.